While loops in C work the same way that they do in MATLAB. We're going to specify a loop condition using conditional and logical operators, and it's going to follow the keyword while at the beginning of the loop. In C, unlike in MATLAB, the loop condition must be inside parentheses like this, right? So the parentheses are not optional like they are in MATLAB. Also, you never want to have a semicolon after the condition on a while loop. The other main difference in the syntax is that the body of the loop is inside these curly braces. We don't use the end keyword to tell us when we're done with the repeated portion of a loop. We use these curly braces to tell us that everything inside the curly braces is part of the repeated behavior of the loop. Usually we also indent the body of the loop so that it's a little bit easier to follow the code. Again, like in MATLAB, any variables that are used in the condition in the while loop need to be initialized before we get to the loop because the condition will be checked before the loop executes for the first time. So we'll execute our program, we'll get to the loop, we'll check the condition, and only if the condition is true will we enter the loop and do iterations. As soon as the condition becomes false, we skip over the loop and we exit. So just like in MATLAB, it's possible that the body of a while loop in C will never execute. It's also possible that a while loop in C will result in an infinite loop. So just like in MATLAB, we need to make sure that this condition will eventually become false usually because the variables involved in the condition are changed within the body of the loop in a way that allows the condition to eventually become false.